yourself against your sister on stage?
Well, for me, it's a sister competition because we don't consider it as a competition like others think, but we help each other with our ideas, and we make sure that we get through this.
Do you think this is an advantage, joining you together with your sister? Do you find it as an advantage on your part?
It can be disadvantage and advantage because whoever wins among us, it is already a prize to our family and to our barangay.
Thank you very much, Barbie.
Candidate number 11, Sushmita Jones Evangelista. How are you?
Fine, sir.
So obviously you were named after Miss Universe 1994.
Exactly.
Okay, nice. So, if given the chance to travel abroad, what particular and interesting place would you like to go and why?
Thank you, sir. First of all, I would like to travel in the whole Philippines. I want to see the beauty of the Philippines in the different cities, and after that, I would like to explore the world, to learn the culture, and to experience the life that they have, and I will make some changes for our country to improve with my experience that I had from my travel.
Thank you, Sushmita. Sabi nga, it's more fun to be in the Philippines.
In the Philippines. Check. Next we have contestant number 12, Frisaline C. Alcantara of Poblacion Zone 2. Frisa, how are you feeling tonight, Frisa?
Oh, I'm getting nervous, but nervous.
Don't be nervous, okay, just relax. I heard that you are a nurse already. Have you graduated?
Yes.
Okay. How many years ago, or just graduated?
Yeah, last year.
Last year, okay. Of course you have your OJT, or are you working already?
Yes, I am. At Queensview University, hospital application.
Okay. Now, what interesting encounter have you experienced from a nation? And another question is, do you wish to work abroad?
Me first, having a duty at the ICU, seeing patients suffering from their diseases, and by just simply taking care of them, this is the most rewarding part of being a nurse. And by seeing them recovering from their disease because of your care, and seeing their family, the smile in their face because their family member is healing. And yes, I wish to work abroad, but if I have the chance to stay here in the Philippines and have a stable work, I would still choose to give my service to my co-Filipinos.
That's very good. Pinoy first. Thank you.
Next, we have candidate number 13, Regine Labarete. Reg for short. For your information, Regine here is studying the Japanese language, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, why did you choose to study Japanese?